All right, level 23, the second last level. Apparently the last one's pretty hard. Let's get to 23 first. So we need to use flex direction and align content. One thing I can see here for sure is that it's going to have to be centered eventually. And we need to sort of spin them. So the yellows need to be at the top. Okay, so if we start with flex direction, we want them in columns and we want them reversed. So column reverse, just as it sounds. So we're pretty close now. And like I said at the start, I think they're going to need to be centered. So next we'll go align content and then center for that one. And that should do it, hopefully. Yep, there we go.